Hey guys, welcome back to the Adventures of Topher here. We are going to be having a couple rigs set up in the Grand River. We are going to be catfishing on two of them, and we are going to have a smallmouth bass rig on the other. Stay tuned. Look guys, so we have one pull out right now, just seeing if we can get a bite. It's a little bit windy out here. I got my doggy. Blue Jean, say hi. Yeah, she's a good girl. We are out here. I am going to put a white chatterbait on here, paired with a white fluke. So I'm going to get this tied on, guys, and stay tuned. Hey guys, so I got the chatterbait tied on. We are going to run right through here. Flip. Gum. Right on through there. Just like that. Guys, we are headed back to the spot right now. My dog is more excited than up. She's very excited to get back here. Try and cut some smallmouth. She is a very, very happy dog right now. She's loving it. I don't know what she sees, but she's on to something. Watch it. Watch it, dog. Watch it. No, no, no. Oh my gosh, guys. Look what happened to my dog. My dog is all muddy. And now, hey, go get in the water. Go clean yourself up. What are you doing? Hello? What are you doing? I have no idea what this dog is doing. Blue Jean! He's so crazy.